Hi there, crafty peeps. Enis here from Papercrafting with Enis, and I'm on today to do another product review for this company called Caldever, and they do have their own website, but they're also on Amazon. They did reach out to me and ask me if I would review another one of their products, and this is the one that I previously reviewed a few weeks ago. It is called the Magnetic Sun Stand Pro, and this is like a little umbrella that attaches to your phone to provide shade from glare and also some sun and rain protection. And it's just a fun kawaii type product. They're all about making your tech fun. Okay, so this is a cute product, and I am putting together a Happy Mail package to ship this out, but I do have it, so I just pulled it out for this product review. And here is the boxing for the new product they sent me. This is a little phone stand, and we're going to take a look at it in a second. And this says on the box, "You are deserving of all of the praise." And on the back, "Endless likes and blessings to you." So fun, fun, fun. And let's take a look inside. And look at their packaging, where they got the pow bubbles, they have the thumbs up, the little hands and the hearts. It's just fun packaging. And here is the little phone stand. Isn't that cute? And number one, I'm loving the color. Look at loving the color. Okay, but before we get into that, let me just pull out the paperwork. Once again, they did include one of their little business cards here. They are on Amazon. You can download the Amazon app and find them there. And also they have a QR code you can scan to go to their website. And also they have an email address here, so if you're having any problems or you have questions about your product, you can contact them that way. And just like the little umbrella phone stand, this also comes with a user manual. And I'm not going to read all this because I did that when I did the other product, but suffice it to say, this company is all about feel good, kawaii, just making your tech fun. Okay, that's what they do there. So this says, "Applaud Life Phone Stand, your daily dose of strength." Your daily source of strength. So that sounds fun. So there are a couple of different ways that you can use this phone stand, and we're going to go over them today. But the first thing I want to mention is a couple of things. So these little hands here do have a 360 rotation, and that is so that you can use this in different ways, okay? Also, the bottom of the stand has a little notch here, and that is for wireless charging. So your cord, now this, you can put your cord through there, okay, which we're not going to do that today. And it does have like a little groove here and here, and I'm going to show you what that is used for. So let me just turn these around like this. So that's the basic features of the product. Oh, by the way, I also wanted to mention, while these little hands do move back and forth and spin around, you're not supposed to bend this plastic part. I believe there's a warning here that says not to bend it because you can break it. So you want to be conscious of that. So anyway, you can use these hands in different angles to set your phone up at different angles, and we're going to try those out right now. So this says, "Adjustable angles, effortlessly adjustable to find your ideal viewing angle." And sorry if you hear the wind. Today it is in the 80s, and in Michigan at this time of year, that's unheard of, but it's also very windy out. So I had my window open to get some fresh air into the house, but also it's noisy because it's very windy. So anyway, there's a couple of ways. And by the way, you can use your tablets as well as your phones, but I just have a phone handy here. So the first way we're going to try this out, let's see here. Looks like they have, yeah, just like this. So you can put your phone like that. So that's easy viewing for watching your phone. Or you can put your phone up like this if you need a better angle or a farther back angle. And also, I believe you can tilt these little hands. Let's see if that works. So I tilted them down. Does that make much of a difference? Oh, I see. So yeah, so we can have a flat method like that, or we can tilt them forwards to have it stand up a little bit more straight. I hope that makes sense to you guys. And you can also, like I showed you, this way, or you can tilt this down. Get that tilted down again. How did I do that before? Well, maybe it was like this. Yeah, there we go, like that. Okay, so depending on how you want your phone angled, all right? And also you can stand it up in the back. So what you would do for that is you want to tilt the little hands in the upward position because that gives the phone more support. You can tilt them towards yourself for an angle like this, or you can tilt them down if you need a flatter viewing area. And that one doesn't seem to sit right for me. Do I have this sitting right? Let's see. Okay. So it just depends on what angle you want your phone to sit at. One other thing they talk about is the charging. So you can, let me see if I can figure this out. Put your phone through the little hands like that. And if this is a wireless charging, you're going to attach the piece to the back of your phone here, and your cord, well, let's pretend this is one of those wireless things where it's got like the pad that sticks there, and then your phone will go through there. Okay, so that's where your cord would fit through there. All right, now I don't have one of those kind of chargers. Mine is a regular charger, so I'm going to plug it into the bottom here. And let me see if I can figure this one out. So this one shows the little hands going this way. Let's see, like this? Oh yeah, like that. Okay. Sorry for this crazy demo here. I'm just learning how to use this myself. So really, it depends on how you want to use the phone. You want to tilt it up, you want to tilt it down, you want it sideways. You have a couple of different options for charging. And so it's a fun tech accessory. And like I said, it comes in a number of colors here, just like the little umbrella did. So you've got black, and I guess that's a blue or a periwinkle. You've got pink, white, mint green, and then the lavender, which is the one I have. So anyway, I think it's fun. I think I will use this here in my craft room. I think it's a great little phone stand. And I frequently do video calls with my sister Lisa, and I think this would be great. You know, I also might be able to use this for when I'm doing certain types of recording. So yeah, that's fun. So anyway, if you enjoyed this product and you're interested in it, I will have the links down in the description box below. This one is called the Applaud Life phone stand. And I think Applaud Life because you've got your little hands there. And this is their signature design, the little thumbs up, and it's very cute. So thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this little video. And like I said, if you're interested, the links will be down below. I'm not an affiliate. I'm not making anything off of this except for the free product for doing an unboxing for you today. And I think it's fun and I think it's cute. So make a great little gift for the right person. And I hope you have a great rest of your day, and I'll catch you on the next crafty video. See you later, crafty peeps. Bye.